Almost 85% of car owners ignore genius features hiding in their vehicles. These features would absolutely surprise you. Your car contains capabilities you've never discovered. Your car has tricks most drivers never realize exist. Today I'm revealing 15 genius car features completely hidden. Features that separate skilled drivers from ordinary ones. Stay until the end because the final feature will shock you. Let's dive in. Feature number 15, night vision capabilities. Your car might see in complete darkness. Most people think headlights are their only option. Wrong. Your vehicle might be hiding military-grade technology. Some cars come equipped with infrared sensors. Some use thermal imaging technology. These systems let you see clearly in pitch black. Active night vision reveals objects 600 feet ahead. Passive night vision detects things 1,000 feet away. Luxury vehicles like BMW X5, Audi A8, Mercedes S-Class have this. Aftermarket options are becoming affordable. Imagine spotting animals on dark roads before headlights reach them. Passive systems don't project light at all. They detect natural heat signatures from people and animals. Recently driven vehicles emit thermal signatures. This is genuinely revolutionary technology. Feature number 14, Windshield defrost button. You probably don't know what this button actually does. Most people use it completely wrong. The defrost activates a specialized airflow system. It directs maximum heat to your windshield, but it simultaneously adjusts your AC compressor. It removes moisture from the air even in winter. Hot air blasts the windshield, while the AC dehumidifies. This dual action clears fog and ice faster than heat alone. Some vehicles link defrost to automatic climate control, and temperature and airflow distribution optimize automatically. It's like having a personal climate assistant. Feature number 13, automatic windshield wiper sensitivity. Your wipers might be overreacting when it rains. Most people deal with the annoyance forever. Your car has hidden solutions you never discovered. Many modern cars have adjustable rain sensors. These fine-tune wiper sensitivity based on rainfall intensity. Subaru, Ford, Mercedes let you adjust this setting. Use your infotainment system or dashboard controls. Optical sensors detect raindrop size and frequency. Wiper speed adjusts accordingly automatically. Light drizzle won't trigger constant wiping. Heavy downpours won't exceed wiper capability. Sensors live behind your rearview mirror. Keep that windshield area clean for accuracy. Feature number 12, drowsiness detection systems. A coffee cup icon flashing on your dashboard. That's not a Starbucks hint. That's a warning you're nodding off behind the wheel. This system could literally save your life. Modern cars monitor your facial expressions. They detect frequent blinking and head nodding. Some analyze your driving habits too. They alert you when you need a break. Drowsy driving causes 100,000 crashes yearly. 71,000 injuries occur annually. 1,550 deaths happen every year. These detection systems are literal lifesavers. Adjust sensitivity through your settings menu. Customize warnings to match your preferences. Your car isn't nagging, it's protecting you. Feature number 11, conversation mirrors. Ever wish you had eyes in the back of your head? Well, your car might already solve this. Many three-row SUVs have special conversation mirrors. Minivans come equipped with this feature. The mirror hides in your sunglass holder. It's above your rear view mirror. Flip it open and see your entire back seat. Check if toddlers are napping peacefully. Watch if kids are feeding crayons to siblings. Monitor pets during road trips safely. See if your dog's chewing on seat belts. Track if your cat escaped their carrier. The mirror is completely removable for cleaning. Double it as a makeup mirror for passengers. Feature number 10, the transmission reset trick. Rough shifting and slipping gears terrify drivers. Before panicking about $4,000 repairs. Most people don't know about a simple reset procedure. Turn off your engine completely, press the gas pedal all the way down, hold for 15 seconds, then release. Start the car and you've reset the transmission module. This computer manages all gear changes. Sometimes it gets confused and develops bad patterns. The reset clears its memory completely. It returns to factory settings instantly. This fixes electronic glitches, not mechanical problems. It's like restarting your computer. Modern transmissions have dozens of components. Sometimes the brain just needs a reboot. After resetting, transmission might feel different. It's relearning your driving style. This is completely normal and temporary. Feature number 9, nuclear hot car cooling method. Your car becomes a furnace in summer sun. Most people just blast the AC and suffer. There's a physics-based trick that works instantly. Roll down rear windows completely, rapidly open and close your driver's door. Do this 5 to 6 times quickly. You're creating a vacuum effect using physics. Hot air pumps out through open windows. Interior temperatures reach 140 to 180 degrees. Running AC maximum exhausts your system. The door pumping creates a bellows effect. Super hot air exchanges with cooler outside air. This drops cabin temperature 20 to 30 degrees. Before you even start the engine, your AC becomes 300% more effective. Expensive components get reduced strain. Leather seats won't burn your skin. Feature number 8, hidden cup holder extensions. Standard cup holders aren't simple static cylinders. They're hiding expandable features completely. Almost every modern vehicle has these. Look closely at your cup holders. You'll find small tabs or hidden buttons. Press them to extend arms or adjust diameter. Accommodate everything from espresso cups to 40-ounce bottles. Some vehicles have pop-out holders and door panels. Others hide them in seat backs and dashboard compartments. These hidden holders sit flush until you need them. Simplicity is what makes this genius. No complex mechanisms can break. Straightforward designs serve multiple purposes. Luxury vehicles have automatically adjusting holders. Spring-loaded mechanisms grip heavier drinks tighter. Removable inserts customize holder configurations. Feature number 7, 3-blink turn signal trick. Your turn signal has more than just 2 settings. Most drivers have no idea about this hidden mode. Gently tap the turn signal lever halfway. Don't push it all the way to click. Tap in your desired direction. The indicator flashes exactly 3 times, then automatically shuts off by itself. Perfect for quick lane changes. Prevents the embarrassing forgotten blinker situation. Cruising highways with blinking signals forgotten. 3 blinks gives drivers enough warning. You won't look like a driving amateur. Modern vehicles let you customize blink count. Program it through your settings menu. Choose 2, 3, 4, or 5 blinks. Highway mergers need 5 blinks for warning. City driving prefers quick signals at 2. Practice in parking lots to master sensitivity. Feature number 6, car locks when you walk away. Ever wondered if you locked your doors? That moment of doubt sends you back checking. Modern cars eliminate this worry completely. When your key fob leaves the sensor range, all doors lock automatically. Some cars let you set a delay. 30 seconds or 1 minute gives you time. Grab forgotten items before locking. Technology uses proximity sensors constantly. They monitor distance between fob and vehicle. Once you cross the preset threshold, locking engages automatically without your input. Enable through your settings menu. Completely changes how you interact with your vehicle. Protects your belongings when carrying bags. Reduces theft risk from forgotten locks. Customize distance thresholds to your needs. Increase distance if grocery unloading triggers locking. Decrease for tighter security and peace of mind. Feature number 5, steering wheel adjustment lever. You might be sitting uncomfortable for years. Most drivers suffer without realizing the fix. It's literally under your steering column. Look beneath and find a small lever. Pull it and your steering wheel moves up, down, closer, or farther away. Some models tilt the wheel. Others offer full telescopic adjustment. Push forward to unlock your steering wheel. Adjust height and telescoping distance. Find your perfect driving position. Push back to lock everything in place. Most drivers suffer chronic neck and back pain simply because they never adjusted their wheel. Correct position allows slight arm bends. Grip the wheel at 9 and 3 o'clock. Rest your wrists comfortably on top. Most people adjust seats and mirrors only. They completely ignore the steering wheel. This is the most important ergonomic adjustment. Driving fatigue drops dramatically when correct. Reaction times improve significantly. Feature number 4, dead key fob backup systems. Dead battery doesn't mean you're stranded. Every fob has 2 RFID systems, the active one you use daily. A secret passive system needs no battery. The backup draws energy through electromagnetic induction, wireless charging for emergencies. Hold your dead fob near the start button. Your car recognizes the passive signal. No towing, no locksmith fees needed. But there's more hidden inside your fob. A hidden mechanical key is tucked away. Press the small button and metal key slides out. Check under your driver's door handle. Look for hidden keyhole covered by plastic. Even with dead car battery, you're getting inside. Passive RFID uses near-field communication. Same technology as contactless payment cards. It activates within centimeters of antenna, usually located near the start button. Check your owner's manual for exact position, usually touching the button itself, or placed in a designated console slot. Feature number 3, hidden cooler compartments. Many vehicles have built-in refrigerated compartments, hidden in plain sight throughout the vehicle. It's not just luxury vehicles either. Honda Odyssey and Chrysler Pacifica have cooling features. Keep drinks and snacks chilled during road trips. Use the car's air conditioning system. Chill specific sections of glove box. Some high-end models are actual refrigerators. Temperature controls let you adjust cooling. Others are insulated boxes with AC air. All keep beverages refreshingly cool, without needing separate portable coolers. Built into existing storage areas, don't compromise cargo capacity. Some systems keep beverages at 35 to 45 degrees, perfect for ice-cold drinks without freezing. Find dedicated button near climate controls. Some label it cooler or compartment cooling. Others show a snowflake icon. Feature number 2, nail polish emergency repairs. Windshield chip doesn't need $500 repair. It needs a trip to the cosmetics aisle. Clear nail polish contains nitrocellulose, same base component used in automotive. Clear coats one thin layer over the chip. Prevents spreading into full replacement nightmare. For paint scratches, find matching color. You've got temporary fix buying time. This is legitimate chemistry working for you. $5 polish prevents $900 replacement. The automotive industry spent decades perfecting clear coat. Beauty industry solved the problem first. Apply just enough polish to seal damage. Don't create thick, noticeable patches. Use clear polish for windshield chips. Use colored polish for paint scratches. Apply multiple thin coats on paint. Creates smoother finish, blending better. Feature number 1, reset car with scanner. Every modern car has master reset sequences. These solve 90% of electrical glitches. They restore factory default settings. When your infotainment system freezes, when climate controls act erratically, when multiple electrical systems malfunction. Hidden button combinations perform complete resets. No dealer diagnostics needed. Many vehicles have secret diagnostics mode. Access information professional mechanics use. Expensive scanner tools show the same data. GM vehicles. Press trip odometer reset button. Turn ignition to on position without starting. After 5 seconds, enter diagnostic mode. Cycle through dozens of sensor readings. See error codes and performance metrics. Toyota, Honda, Ford have similar hidden menus. Specific button combinations on your dashboard. This saves tons of money. Protect yourself with automotive knowledge. Subscribe for more car tips and tricks. These hidden features change everything.